बुल ट्रॉलर्स आणि एलईडी लाईट लावून नुस्तेमारी करपी आड खर कारवाय करची अशा तरेची याचिका पारंपारीक नुस्तेकारांनी उच्च न्यायालयात घातिल्ली। ह्या याचिकेचो निकाल पारंपारीक नुस्तेकारां वाटेन लागला आणि ह्या विशीं तोडगो काडपा खातीर नुस्तेमारी खात्यान नुस्तेकार, कोस्ट गार्ड आणि मरीन पुलिशेक आपयल्ले।
So a meeting was called today of the, as per the court order which came out recently with respect to LED light fishing, illegal activities which are happening. So we took in that order it was that we should take a meeting with the stakeholders as well as the petitioners along with the Coast Guard and the Coastal Police. So we called them for a meeting, and at the meeting we discussed on how to go about that order. We had already kept our officers at the jetties, which along with the coastal police have inspected all the vessels. We have also told them to ensure that fishing license and fishing pass is taken before they go out for fishing. The fisheries societies are also told to see that the fishing vessels
जी कोई ऑर्डर पास जाल्या ती कायद्या प्रमाण पास जाय। फिशींग LED लायट घालून करपाची ना, सेकंड म्हणजे हाय इंजीन यूज करपाचें ना आनी बुल ट्रॉलिंग यूज करपाचें। हे कोर्टान पास केल्लें, खंयच्या कोर्टान? हायकोर्टान जाल्यार आयज तेणें आमकां सगळ्यांक दाखोवन हाडलेलें। कोस्ट गार्ड, मरीन पुलीस, मागीर पुलिसांक सगळ्यांक आनी कोस्ट गार्डाक